Here so properly, we're fully ready, the doors are shut, we're ready to go. We're just awaiting the tractor that pushes us back off stand. They usually get here about 5 minutes before our scheduled time of departure, so we're just waiting for them. Once they're here, they've done their checks, connected up, we will be on our way. So while we're loading this, I do have you making yourselves comfortable, and I wish you a very pleasant flight with us today. Thank you.
So please check that your mobile phone, including those with flight mode, and all other electronic devices are switched off, and if you're using earphones or headsets, please remove them now until after takeoff. If you need more information about using electronic devices on board, please look at the Essential section of the Highlight magazine in your seat pocket. Please now make yourself comfortable and check that your seatbelt is securely fastened.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to you. My name is Stephen. I'm the person. I'm working with an excellent crew on this flight. We're delighted that you've chosen today to fly to Oslo. Pleasure to have you on board. We'll be providing you with that briefing that the captain mentioned to you, ladies and gentlemen, very shortly by our video systems, and the screens will retract and then the program commences. We respectfully therefore please ask that you double check now that your telephones please are switched off and your computers are shut down. And we ask please that you're not listening to iPods with the earphones in the ears, please, once the safety video commences. Please just double check that your luggage is not blocking our aisles or the exits. Please ensure your luggage is placed under the seat in front of you or the overhead locker, except if you're sitting at the emergency exit room, where we respectfully ask that all your luggage, please, coats, etc., are placed in the overhead lockers. Finally, we just please ask you now just to ensure your seatbelt is indeed fastened, ready for our departure. Many thanks. Doors to automatic and caution, please. Doors to automatic, thank you.
Mine damer og herrer, velkommen til British Airways. Før avgang ber vi dem om å sjekke at all håndbagasje er sikkert plassert i bagasjehyllen over dem eller under setet foran dem, og at den ikke sperrer midtgang og utganger. Hold sikkerhetsbeltet spent fast under avgang, og når skiltet med sikkerhetsbeltet lyser opp. Vi anbefaler at de har beltet spent fast når de sitter under hele flyreisen. Før avgang ber vi dem om å sjekke at seteryggen er i den loddrette stillingen og med armlenet ned, og at bordet foran dem er slått opp. Vi vil snart presentere våre sikkerhetsprosedyrer, så vi ber dem om å følge med på det kabinpersonalet viser eller videoen, samt at de leser gjennom sikkerhetskortet. Mobiltelefoner må slås av, da de kan virke inn på flyets systemer. Vi vil også opplyse at det ikke er tillatt å røyke ombord dette flyet. Vi takker for deres oppmerksomhet.
To explain the emergency procedures on this British Airways aircraft. The captain and the crew are here for your safety. It is important that you pay attention and follow instructions carefully. First, check your seatbelt is securely fastened. Insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten by pulling on the loose end. To unfasten, simply lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. You'll find the seatbelt sign in the panel above your head. When it's on, you must fasten your seatbelt. We'll provide extension seatbelts for infants. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during our flight, even when the sign is off. Your life jacket is underneath your seat. To use exit, take it out of the container and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at your side. Inflate your life jacket when you leave the aircraft. We will supply life cots for babies and life jackets for children. In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing, you'll be told to take this protective brace position. We will now explain how to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the evacuation slide. Emergency lighting, including floor-level lighting, will help you find your way to the exits. These are clearly signed. There are 2 exits at the rear, 2 over-wing exits on each side, and 2 exits at the front of the aircraft. Your crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. To open the main doors, pull the large handle inwards and upwards. The over-wing exits are opened by removing this cover and pulling the handle inwards and downwards. The hatch should be ejected through the opening. Opening the doors and over-wing exits automatically inflates the evacuation slides. The slide can also be inflated by pulling this handle at the main doors and this handle at the over-wing exits. Jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. If the aircraft has landed on water, you should leave by the over-wing exits. Other exits may be opened if above the waterline and the slides detached for use as flotation devices. As you leave the aircraft, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red tag. If necessary, blow into this mouthpiece to top up the air. The life jacket is fitted with a light and a whistle. Your oxygen mask is behind the panel just above your head. If the cabin air system should fail, this will be released. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you to open your supply. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Place it over your mouth and nose and adjust the band to secure it, then breathe normally. Do make sure your own mask is correctly fitted before helping anyone else. All electronic devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off, and all headsets must be removed whenever the engines are running on the ground during takeoff, approach and landing. Please ensure your mobile phone and any devices that can send or receive calls or text messages remain off for the flight. Any items with a flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Some electronic devices can be used once we're airborne. Please check High Life magazine. Take care your hand baggage isn't blocking the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. But place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall and injure someone. As we prepare for takeoff, please make sure that your tray table is put away, your seat is upright and your armrest is down. Finally, take a look at the safety